Hey everybody, welcome back to another episode of Mobile Detailing Edmonton. Today we are at Bling Bling. Day two, we've been working for a while. Sorry for the, it's cold as hell out in Edmonton today. Anyway, day two over at Bling Bling, and been just crushing away at the oxidation. Give you a little look-see, see what's going on, and you can see a little bit of Stefan's work as well. This company puts out some amazing chrome polishing. So here, let's go check it out. Scared of heights, this is a bad job to be in. So, oxidation on these rigs is a bitch. And yeah, I'll show you. Alright guys, I'm going to keep polishing and yeah, I'll get back to you in a little while. Okay everybody, thanks again for watching. This is Lance with Mobile Detailing Edmonton today, and the last few days we've been at Bling Bling Metal Polishing. If you guys want to get any metal polishing work done, I'll hand you over to these boys. They'll tell you where to go and the address. So I'm going to introduce you to Stefan and Chris. So guys, where do they go? Give them your address, give them your bits. Tell them what you love.
Address is 11320 163rd Street. And yeah, come on in for your polishing needs.
Yeah, if you want to book an appointment, give us a call at 780-415-7682 or send us some pictures by email at info@spectrumalberta.ca.
And just as a little side note, he didn't want to be in the video. All right guys, see you next time.